At the edge of the lake, hidden beneath tall reeds, a mother mallard waits. She has guarded these eggs for 28 days, and now her patience is rewarded. She memorizes every peep, every scent. These are her world now, and she will protect them with her life. Though barely 6 hours old, they walk. Instinct pulls them forward, following her every step, every sound. To them, she is not just a parent. She is the only definition of safety. But danger watches from above. A hungry crow knows that one moment of distraction is all it needs.
For now, the family is safe, but bigger challenges await.
For the first time, they taste freedom, grass beneath their feet, sunlight warming their feathers. Their world is clumsy, but full of joy. Night brings a new set of threats: foxes, owls, cold winds. But she does not sleep, not fully. A mother duck rests lightly. Every day they grow braver, stronger, and the mother duck? She becomes a quiet hero. In a world filled with danger, she gives them hope. And hope is the greatest survival tool of all.